Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna review a eufy Security dual security camera. So this is a dual camera, which means that it is actually have two cameras inside, and this camera comes with a smart application and you can control it fully and customize it fully through the smart application. This camera is having a 360 degrees of a pan and tilt. Also, it is having an up to 8 times of a zoom. The coolest thing about this one is the fact that it actually have like two cameras, so you see 2 points of views at the very same time. It is also came with a solar panel, so you're simply installing the solar panel on top, like, you know, a little bit higher from the security camera. And this camera is a forever power on, so there is no need to recharge this camera ever. It is recharged by Type-C if you still want to recharge it, but you just so very simply putting the solar panel on top of your security camera and it is gonna charge it basically forever. So there is no any type of recharging ever will be needed thanks to the solar panel. Well guys, I cannot wait to tell you all the possible details and the high technology that this camera works on, so let's get started. So this is a SoloCam S340 by eufy Security. This is an enhanced dual camera that is giving you a clarity view at 50 feet. It's capturing every single event that occurs all around your home with an ultra 3K high quality resolution. You can see exactly who is approaching your home with the 8 times zoom ability of this security camera. It comes with a solar powered panel, so you're just simply installing the solar panel up front of the security camera. You connect it to the security camera and you are gonna have a forever energy. Like, you will never ever will need to recharge your security camera. You will connect it once and you'll have it running forever. The slogan actually of this camera is install once and it runs forever. You can experience the constant peace of mind with this solar powered security camera. So it's so very easy to set it up. You just simply mountain it anywhere you want it to go. I choose to put this one onto my backyard because I am already having a eufy Security camera, another type of a camera, the one with a big light. Guys, you can check this one out. I will leave you the link for this review of mine for another eufy Security video camera at the description box down below to this video. If you are interested to see this one, I also reviewed another type of a camera, the one that comes with a big type of a light. So I choose to put this eufy Security camera at my backyard because basically this security camera is enough to be just one camera and it's covering all of my backyard due to the dual ability of showing you the videos. So once you are entering the application, you will see actually 2 angles, 2 views of a video. So it gives you no blind spots and it is having a 360 degree of a guardian rotation. So this is a full home security coverage. The 360 degrees of surveillance really helps, so I can monitor my backyard easily in a live way every single time, as well as I'm also getting notifications for any type of a movement in my backyard. So it's really nice to know that once I am, far from my house, I'm getting all these notifications and I know if there is anything that's going on my backyard. As well, if I am inside of my house right now and I'm getting a notification that, hey, someone is walking at your backyard, and I'll be like, hey, what the hell? That's a very nice alert that keeps me feel safe and keeps me to feel absolutely secured thanks to this SoloCam S340 by eufy Security. From now on, I can always keep an eye on my backyard with an ease. I'm definitely obsessed with the dual view ability of this ultimate surveillance type of a camera, so I can see the big picture and I have the ability to zoom into the crucial details all in one frame. It have no monthly fee, and that's amazing because I hate hidden costs as everyone out there. It comes with a local storage that you can use. It's just simply a one-time purchase and no any type of a monthly fee or hidden cost with this security camera. So you can absolutely be calm down about this thing, which I honestly hate, like monthly subscriptions. They just keep on charging and charging you every single month, and I hate seeing these charges on my credit card, guys. Honestly, I hate it. Then it have an easy and versatile installation, absolutely effortless setup. The installation, including the connection to the application, is gonna take about 5 minutes. And this camera is such a compact size and wire-free design, so I absolutely love it. it. You can use it with the solar panel or without it. I mean, why would you use it without it? But anyway, you don't have to use the solar panel if you don't want to. You can use it separately from the solar panel and just recharge it by yourself. Just simply take it off every time you need to charge it. It is compatible with the Homebase S340 by eufy Security as well, and this one just works so very great for me. I absolutely love this one. It have a great focus. This camera is so very cool because it works on the AI high technology algorithms. So first of all, it is gonna follow you. So if it recognizes a human, it is just simply gonna follow the human all around. It doesn't matter where you are gonna go, it's gonna follow you via the cameras. So it is an automatic motion tracking. The track target, it's gonna just track any type of targets in the area, like pans, tilts, and zooms, just to follow the action of whatever is going on out there at your property. It is have an amazing day and night safety, high quality type of vision. It have the f1.6 aperture, which allows 20% more light to the video. As a result, you are gonna get a way more detailed videos after dark. It can see up to 26 feet, which equals to 8 meters at night time. So you are secured at night as well. It have the night guard option with the light and siren. So you can communicate with your guest through the security camera even while you are away or you are inside of your house. Regardless, it is have a stay away type of a message ability that you can use. So it will play the siren and wave the flashlight, and you can see a 24/7 live view from the security camera, so you can react with whoever is at your property at the real time. This camera is built to last, so it is holding up to a range of extreme weather conditions without missing a beat. That means it doesn't matter what type of weather conditions you're living in. Are you in Canada and you are having a very snowy weather? Not a problem. eufy security camera gonna work in snow as well, rain, extremely hot summer, whatever. It is ready to work on an extreme weather conditions. It works on a two-way audio, so you can talk to whoever is at the area of the security camera is covering via the two-way audio. So it have a speaker and have a microphone, so you can communicate with your guests or with whoever is out there at your property even while you're away or inside of your house without leaving your house. You can deter intruders with a stay away message as well to scare unwanted people out of your property. You can as well control this camera with your voice, so it's compatible with a voice assistant. It integrates perfectly with Google Voice or Alexa just to allow you to use it with an ease. The installation, guys, was super simple for us. It just took us about 5 minutes in total to install it on the wooden deck that we're having at our backyard, and it just looks so very great. I love how this camera just following you all around. It doesn't matter where you will go. It have the AI technology that it works on, so it's gonna follow a human all around my backyard. Doesn't matter if it's me, if it's my husband, or if it's any unwanted guests on my backyard. So this is definitely works amazing. The application works so great. So yeah, guys, I will highly recommend you to check this one out. Okay, guys, so here is the app introduction, and you can see the screen recording as well as the camera, both of them. So I have two eufy security camera, and right now I'm going to show you this one. This is why you could see two of them. Yep. So guys, first of all, this is how it looks like. You have basically two screens, but you can choose to see it with one screen and not with two. So you can choose the dual view, what you just saw right now, guys, that was a dual view. You can choose to have a single view, whatever works better for you. I prefer it as a dual view. Absolutely. So guys, you can talk to the camera. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, it sounds really bad because I'm right here, but you can also hear all the sounds that's going on throughout the camera. You can record whatever is happening as well. You can fully pan and tilt the camera, so you can fully control the camera where it goes, up there, down there, whatever works for you. You are choosing where you want it to go. Then you can choose the quality of the streaming. You can make it auto, 3K, 1080 pixels, or 720, whatever works for you. Obviously, I choose 3K. Then you can choose the light to be on or off. Here I am, hi. So then you can take a screenshot. It's going to be saved automatically to your cell phone album. You have the night vision option, so you can turn it off. You can choose it to be colorful or black and white. Then you have the 360 degrees of look around option. So it basically shows you 360 degrees of all around your property. Then you have the alarm, and you can choose light only, sound only, or sound and light. very, very loud. Then let's go to the settings. So of course that you can just simply turn it on or turn it off through the application. Then you have the edge connection. This one is in case you are having the eufy Security home base. I do not have it, so not relevant to me. You can define the motion detection settings. You can set an activity zone. You can set a no-go zone or an activity zone, easy. Then for the detection type, you can choose it can be human only, vehicles only, or all other motions. I have it all on. Then you have the sensitivity. You can go anywhere from 1 to 7. I like everything on high, so mine is on high. Then you can turn off the AI tracking or turn it on. Then you have the power manager. So this is actually shows you all the statistic of your battery, and you can choose how you want the working mode to be, like optimal battery life or optimal surveillance and so on. You can absolutely customize it, and you can do it whatever works for you, you know. Here you have all the statistics of your solar panel, so you can see how much it's charged every day, how much it worked, and so very on. It's super, super cool. Then you have the power source. You can choose to be battery or external solar panel as well. Then you have the present position, and you can choose the position. So you can basically set how you prefer it to be, if you want it on 3 times zoom or on 1 zoom or like, you know, on a regular zoom, and you can choose whatever scenarios works for you. Then you have the tilt settings. Again, AI tracking, turn it on or off, and you can choose the rotate speed of the manual pan and tilt, so you can calibrate it. It's just simply gonna do the calibration, so it's gonna go around on 360 degrees, all for you. It's gonna go down, it's gonna go up, finish calibration, and you can choose the rotation speed, so you can make it anywhere between slow to fast. Mine is on fast because I love everything on fast and on high. Then we have the spotting settings. So the brightness of the light, you can choose it to be whatever. You can turn it off, turn it on, and you can choose the brightness of the light to be whatever from 0 to 100. Obviously, I love everything on 100 on maximum. So as you can see here, guys, this is how it works, like brighter, brighter, brighter. Yes. Video settings, you can choose the watermark to appear or not to appear. Video mode, I showed this to you guys. Streaming quality, 3K for sure. Recording quality, 3K as well. You can change it all if you want to. And then you can define a privacy zones. And here you can just choose the no-go settings, like where you don't want the camera to shoot no matter what. For an example, here is our neighbor's backyard. So I definitely don't want this area to be, you know, filmed because it's their privacy, of course. So I'm gonna put this one right here to be like, hey, don't show it because this is not my property. You can control the notifications, and the general settings is gonna be the name, of course, the LED, so you can turn it off or on. That means the LED means this little light right here. Let me show you this one right here. This is gonna be on or off by your choice. Then of course, time settings, storage. So this is the local storage that it automatically comes with. I use just a little bit of that, and you can always format it, clear it, and, you know, free up some space to have some more videos. You have the guide again if you want to, and that's basically all, guys. So let me know your opinion down below. Yeah, that was like a pretty fast introduction to the camera. Also, you know, it have an AI, so see, once it spotted me, it's gonna follow me all around the backyard. Whenever I'm gonna go, it's just simply gonna follow me. Hello, yeah, it's me. Hi, hello. Yep. So that was actually all, guys. I hope you like my pajamas. Well, guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. This camera have no any type of subscription, no any type of a monthly fee. So I truly hope this review was helpful for you. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. I'm personally in love with this camera. I could catch so many deer on my backyard, you know, doing their things on my backyard, like basically eating my plants and doing other nasty things, leaving their marks on my backyard. And it's really fun to watch them all over our property, as well as now I able to have a full control and full view on my backyard to know exactly who's been there, is there anything that's there that doesn't supposed to be there, and so very on. So I highly recommend you guys to check out this eufy Security camera out, and I will leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales, and so very on. So be so very sure to check it out through the link in my description box. So that was actually all for today, guys. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments once again, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Be so very sure to check eufy Security out. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.